Welcome back everybody to a very exciting video, as this is going to be the first modification on the CT5-V. And as you guys see here, we just got a package from Extreme Online Store, and let me just say guys, the customer service from Extreme Online Store, phenomenal, very easy to deal with, very easy to get the package delivered. The quality of these products are amazing. So let me show you guys what we got. So and again, I've already opened this, so it was wrapped very tight and much better than how I did it. But as you guys can see here, we have carbon fiber mirror caps for the CT5-V. So if I just walk around here, I'll show you. We have gloss black ones on the car already. This is what they look like. So these are the gloss black mirror caps, and guys, these are going to be the new carbon fiber mirror caps, and that is going to look amazing. So we are going to put them on, and once we get to the shop, we will pick back up with you guys. But Extreme Online Store, let's go put them on. Okay guys, so we have arrived at the shop. Now, a lot of people have been asking me where to get mods and parts for these cars. Now, Extreme Online Store is that place to get your modifications, to get your parts. I'm seeing a lot more CT5-Vs on the road. So if you guys are wondering, the link will be in the description for Extreme Online Store. And like I said, they're amazing to deal with, phenomenal products. The quality is amazing. And we will be showing you the install here in just a second, but I will link their website in the description. They have tons of parts for Cadillacs, for the CT4, for the CT5-Vs, lots of variety of different products. So I will have that linked in the description. Okay guys, so first off, you want to tape the bottom here, so that way when you pry off the mirror, it doesn't scratch anything else. So this is step one. As you can see, we still have the gloss black mirror caps on, but make sure you tape the bottom so that it doesn't scratch anything else. And then we'll pry it up. So slowly try and pry up the glass. You guys can see it's almost out, but it'll just take a little bit of prying at the right angle. So it'll pop right out. You can see all connections that you will have to take out. Okay, so we have the glass popped off, and it's just these two will come out from up here, and then this one here just comes out of there. And once you have the glass off, then you will unscrew. There's some screws in the back. If you can see there, it's a little dark, but you'll undo those screws. Yeah, there's a light. So you see the screws in the bottom and in the top there, and then the mirror cap itself will pop right off. So to undo these screws in here, it's a number 10 Torx nut to unscrew all of these, and then the mirror cap will pop off. So it's just a matter of unscrewing them, and then the mirror cap will pop off, and we'll get these carbon fiber ones on. Okay, so here the trim piece around the mirror is going to come off. Once those screws are out, of course, it comes off very easily. And then the next part will be taking the mirror cap itself off. So once you play around with this cap and then you finally get it off, there's obviously a camera, so you want to be careful, but then there's that little clip right in the corner. You just have to push it towards the car, and this will just pop off, and then you just have the light to take out. So once you have the light detached from the mirror cap, the turn signal there, you can see it's just a screw. Once you have that taken off, then you have a little bit more of this trim that will come off with a couple of clips. Then once you take that trim off, then you just replace it with the new mirror cap. And you can see how just complex these new mirrors are with the cameras in it, the turn signals, all the blind spot, everything like that. And we'll get that carbon fiber one on. So this is the carbon fiber mirror cap. And you'll start by putting this trim piece onto it. And it'll just clip in. And then once you have that clipped in, then it will go straight onto the mirror. So once you screw in, there's one screw there. Once you screw that screw in, you'll have the turn signal that will be attached to it. And then it's just a matter of screwing in the other screws there to just hold that mirror cap on. And you just gotta play around with the fitment onto the mirror itself. Once you have the trim piece back on, then you'll screw it in into the screw holes where the screws came out. Should be 4 of them. 5 screws, 1 goes in there, but 4 hold the trim in. And then you'll just go ahead and put the mirror on. But you can see how they look. Already fitment's nice and they look good. Okay, so once you put the trim piece on, the mirror cap will fit very snug. You can see those, look at that carbon fiber. And guys, Extreme Online Store has very good quality carbon fiber mirror caps. They're exceptional quality. You can see it's just screw up there, screw down here, up here, and then down there as well. So it's just those screws, and then once that is on, then the mirror itself will go back on, connecting these two, just this guy, and that will be the install. As you can see, it looks very good. Fitment is great. Fitment is phenomenal. And it looks amazing. That is what it looks like. We'll show you the finished product in the light once it's done, once they're both done. And yeah, look at that. So easy to do. The quality is amazing of these mirror caps. And if you guys are looking for anything, like I said, for the CT5Vs, we will have the link in the description for Extreme Online Store. Amazing products, amazing customer service, and just an all-around great place to shop, and lots of selection too. So check them out. Everything will be in the description, and we'll continue with the install. So now we have the glass here, and as you can see, I've connected one already. We're going to connect the other one. It's hard to do this while holding the camera. And we'll just push it in. Once it clips in like that, you're good. You can see they're both clipped in on that side. Right there, that one's clipped in as well. Those two are good. And this is what the connections look like on the mirror. So this is what the connections look like. It's the same thing. You take your mirror off, this is what it'll look like. You have one connection there, and then those two as well. And then it's just kind of just have to feel it out and put it back on. So once it's back on, I will show you guys the finished product. So this is the finished product. We pop the mirror back on and clean it up, and look at that mirror. Those carbon fiber mirror caps look amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But I think this should be an option from factory to order these. But have a look at that. Amazing quality. Goes so well with the overall blackout theme we have going on. But guys, I'll show you them in the light outside. But look at the quality. The fitment's amazing. Fitment's perfect. Extreme Online Store really killed it with this one. So there's, I'll show you so there's the carbon fiber compared to, once I get over here, the gloss black. And you can see it makes a huge difference. So that's the gloss black, but it makes a huge difference. Okay guys, so install is complete. Let us know down in the comments if you have any questions, any comments. Let us know how these look. So here's in the natural light. It's not very sunny out, but this is the natural light. And look at those, they look amazing. They really do look sharp. And this is the natural light. The sun, they'd look a little bit better. Unfortunately, we don't have any today, but we will show you in another video for sure. And we'll show you the other one here. But they go so well with the car. Look amazing. Like I said, the fitment was good. And just a quality piece. So check out the description. Check out Extreme Online Store. Big shout out to them. And let us know in the comments what you think of the carbon fiber mirror caps. And drop a like if you did enjoy the video, or if you are purchasing, let us know how you like them. And again, if you're gonna get them through Extreme Online Store. Quality piece, zero issues whatsoever, amazing customer service. So let us know what you guys think of the mirror caps. Leave some comments down below. Subscribe if you're new. We have lots coming. And we will see you all in the next video.